Alright, YB nigga. You know what's good. Respect Trevor Hernandez. Jordan J Hood nigga. Snowman. This is how we do it. I'ma play some poker. I'ma take your money. Fuck your bitch, cause I'll call her my favorite bunny. This is what's good, I got a bitch in a thong. Hustle nights get long, but nigga you get strong. Come up on a bitch, chop a couple dimes. By 11 I was pulling crazy crimes. Yeah, your daddy is a faggot, he hanged himself. Didn't have a life, the nigga was bad for his health. It's all good, I touch his wallet, touch his paper. You know his girl, I had to get grimy and rape her. My boys sent out, did the fucking job. YB bitches suck on our knobs. This is how we flowin', nigga, this is how we flowin'. The bitch, get down and stop flowin'. Nigga, make my fucking sack. I'ma hit your girl, you don't wanna fuck with Jack. I'ma take your money, bitch, buy some crack. You know what's good, you ain't get your money back. This shit was flour, and trust me, I got too much power. I'll fuck your bitch, then she wanna take a shower. Cause I rip the pussy, wax some legs for an hour. Nigga, the pussy I'll fucking devour. Any girl I pick, I'm starting to laugh. It's cause you stink, bitch, you gotta take a bath. This is the sickest freestyle video I ever did. Trust me, your mom get raped when she wear a bib. 2 years old, 14 I'm cold. Motherfucker 3 years now. Stronghold yourself in the fucking wall. Cause the cussy's gonna call. The big nigga's gonna fall. YB Eastside. Where I got my pride, blood had to decide. Your niggas down to ride, or I'm gonna take your bride. Today, trust me, your homeboy lied. That's why you got popped, nigga got dropped. YB, homie, stay the fuck away from me.